Hello everybody, welcome to our market report. Today we're Wednesday, June 27. So today folks, I want to talk to you about a movement in stocks that are actually oversold in the resources sector. Actually, the TSX is confirming the end of its bearish cycle. It's testing its important support with the graph here, the support that has been tested many times on the TSX. All the resources sector actually bouncing simply on the hope that European leaders will be able to come up with some credible solutions to be able to stimulate the economy. The European summit is due on Thursday and on Friday, so a lot will be expected in that. So we have actually some stocks that are actually oversold, and that could be good opportunities for those of you who like to buy stocks at the bottom. So I'm going to show you a list of some stocks in the energy sector, some stocks in the mining sector, which are good opportunities to buy for swing trading. We have a complete list on marketgurus.tv. It's free for 10 days. You'll be able to have access to all the list of all energy stocks that are actually good for swing trading opportunity. Yes, the energy is good. Yes, the mining sector is good, but the gold sector, we have not seen a lot of stocks that are actually oversold because, you know, it's really volatile. I think investors are not really flowing more money into the gold sector because they're saying to themselves, if ever the European leaders don't come up with credible solutions, don't inject more money into the markets, well, we're not going to have the bullish momentum that we would have expected on the gold sector. So they're preferring to just allocate their money more into the energy stocks. And which are the energy stocks that are actually good opportunities today to be able to get in for swing trading? Let's start. First of all, Talisman Energy. Why? Because this is an important support that has been tested many times. It is testing it again. It's going slightly back up. So at 1090, you're able to get in Talisman Energy. Put your stop loss at about 1068. You see the situation is oversold, eventually on the verge of continuing to head towards the overbought situation. So you get in now at 1090. Your first profit taking opportunities, it's at 1178. So it's for the short term, 2 weeks maximum for Talisman Energy, but be ready to take some quick profits if ever the rebound persists on the market. But as long as you put your stop loss at 10, around 1065, you're still good on Talisman Energy. SUNCOR Energy, an important support that has been tested many times. Oversold situation is confirmed. First of all, you'll be able to take some profits. There's that top here at 3041, but you should expect maybe a stabilization phase at 2945. So you could be able to get in on SUNCOR Energy. If you don't want to take some profits around this area, well, this is the maximum where you have to take some profits on SUNCOR Energy, because at this price, that's also where SUNCOR Energy will test its downward trend, and we should expect it to make another top as it did around here, around there, around here, and it might do around there if ever it will leaving the oversold situation and heading toward the overbought one. We also have Imperial Oil. Imperial Oil, what I want to bring to your attention is, yes, it is oversold, okay, but let's clear all those lines here. So it is oversold, yes, a support that has been tested many times, as you see here. So get in now, there's no problem. Your stop loss at 4012, but first of all, we have this resistance. So you get in half of the positions. Here we should expect a stabilization phase. So the gain potential is it's not big enough to be able to take some profits. So half of the positions there, which should stabilize around this area. And then another push, if ever Imperial Oil reaches that other top at 44.44, you get rid of all your positions. Or you're even able to, if ever it goes higher than 42.54, to increase partially your positions in Imperial Oil. And at 44.44, you get out totally of the positions acquired around all this area for Imperial Oil. On the mining sector, we have Tech Resources, which is actually oversold, testing an important support, and on the verge of leaving the oversold situation. So this is a list of some stocks. This is the energy sector. We have 3 stocks: Talisman, SUNCOR, Imperial Oil. And in the mining sector, Tech Resources and Thompson Creek. All of them are trading on the TSX because the TSX is actually oversold. But folks, stocks that are actually oversold, always put your stop loss. This is Christian Schaller from DecisionPlus.com. See you next week for our next market report. To learn more about us, go to DecisionPlus.com on the section Free Trial to try marketguru.tv.